Observe these ultra-heavy leviathans as they tear through the earth, leveling every obstacle in their path. Can you sense the high-pressure hiss of the diesel engines, or the seismic waves thundering from their massive steel tracks? Welcome to the proving grounds of the engine history. Today we cast aside light-duty machinery. Secure your restraints as we analyze the specifications of the 10 most formidable heavy-scale bulldozers in industrial history. From legendary prototypes to modern titans of technology, these machines define the sheer pulling power that dominates every foundational construction site. Opening our evaluation is a masterpiece of Italian mechanical violence, the ACO Super Bulldozer. Weighing a staggering 183 tons and wielding a blade over 7 meters wide, this Titan utilizes a twin-engine configuration, exhaling 1,400 horsepower of bone-shattering torque. Regrettably, due to trade embargoes, this heavyweight marvel remains stationary in Italy, an eternal monument to extreme engineering. Following its momentum is the Komatsu D575A, an absolute force of compression from Japan. It exhausts its full potential through a 1,150 horsepower engine, pulverizing any terrain within the precision-engineered confines of its cabin. If you crave heavy mechanics and the beauty of raw power, subscribe to The Engine History. Leave a like and ring the bell. Your support provides the torque we need to bring more legendary engines to the screen. Shifting our focus to America, we examine the Caterpillar D11TCD. This is more than mere muscle. It is the pinnacle of mechanical configuration. Utilizing an ultra-smooth torque converter drive, it neutralizes wear and tear while hauling monumental loads. Every cabin panel is sculpted with ergonomic precision, serving as the perfect command center for operators to dominate the night shift. Returning to Japan, Komatsu continues its dominance with the D475A-8. Boasting an 890 horsepower power core, this machine is forged to devour the most punishing terrains. Its true value lies in its agility. The sprocket and transmission systems engage with absolute accuracy, allowing this massive frame to maneuver gracefully even in confined spaces or unstable soil. Our assessment must include the formidable specifications from China, the Shantou SD90-C5. This is the undisputed sovereign of heavy-duty foundational plowing. Its 800 horsepower engine delivers a surge of rotational force, leveling massive boulders in an instant. The real-time load sensing and blade engagement systems optimize fuel efficiency, offering an incredibly sharp economic solution. Leaving the Asian proving grounds, we travel to Germany to witness the Liebherr PR776 Litronic. Embodied with European engineering excellence, this engine exhales 768 horsepower of raw violence. Its hypersensitive hydrostatic drive allows the blade to transition with millimeter precision. It represents the perfect marriage of brutal pulling power and intelligent circuitry, maximizing productivity while minimizing maintenance requirements. Shantou maintains its momentum with the SD60-C5. Though rated at 530 horsepower, this machine is the most resilient slab of cast steel in the yard. It utilizes GPS positioning for automated, high-precision engagement. Traveling back through time, we encounter the Fiat Alice HD41 FD50. Carrying 650 horsepower, this iron beast once tore through mining sites, proving that minimalist design combined with violent compression creates absolute structural rigidity. Next is a cold weather warrior from Russia, the Chetra T40. Forged in sub-zero furnaces, its 500 horsepower engine forces it to plow through the earth even when the ice has hardened into stone. Its chassis, designed for extreme torsional stress, gives the operator the confidence to crush mountains of snow. To conclude our heavy-duty showcase, we look at the most resilient specification of all, the Caterpillar D10T2. Beneath the hood lies the Cat C27 core, breathing 600 horsepower. It does not merely push massive rocks, it shatters the limits of fuel efficiency. The brand's exclusive elevated sprocket design serves as a protective shield for the powertrain against mud and debris, extending its lifespan to the extreme. Its agility in swapping blades and rippers makes it a versatile asset on any front. Integrated vibration dampening and automated climate control provide a sanctuary of tranquility for the operator. These 10 Leviathans have redefined the map of terrain engineering, cementing the specifications of limitless endurance and the violent beauty of metallurgy.